Hello, and I will show you on how to make a motorbike on any bike, not like the bikes that you pedal, just like the motorbikes. How to make those. First, you search any bike you want. Me, I specifically want this. After searching, you would want to hold on it like this. You want to hold in it and then press download like I did. But I already downloaded. Now you want to go to removebg.com, and since you downloaded it, now you put it there. You download it. After you see the download, you want to go to Canva. Do not mind this. This was wrong. Press the plus button. Now you can see from the bottom here, you want to choose and pick this one. No, the one you already removed the background, that's what you pick. After done that, you want to swipe and then press draw. You want to change this to white. Change this to white. Usually use this one. Now you change the weight of it. Now like what you do next is just erase the wheel. Just like this. After doing that, the front wheel, now you also do the same to the rear wheel. Now, after doing the modifications, you want to press this one. Press download. Press download again. Now you want to go to remove BG again. And what you did from Canva, you want to press that. After that, you want to download this. If you have an account on this app, then you want to press download HD. I don't have an account because my mom doesn't allow me. Next, you want to, if you have Melon Playground, if you don't have Melon Playground or Melon Sandbox, you might want and need to download it before doing all of this. Usually, if you don't have this, at least you're ready. Now, delete all the colliders. Now, you press the plus on the colliders. Now, while doing that, press polygon and it will absolutely make it itself. After that, you want to change the cloth. to metal. After that, you make sure that the set properties is only can burn. And that's it. I will put it in build because the misc and other is for my MotoGP, in which I have already done. So now I'll only need to put build for like the road bikes. Yes. So everything is now done. You want to go to save. Wait, no. We do not use this because if it says that, it means I have already used it. What do we even do next? I don't think there's any more. I feel like we are done. We've done the corn. What about this? Okay, no. To check if you already made one, make sure you press and then save. If it says file already exists, overwrite, it means you should not use it. I have made thousands of it. I don't know where's the one, the devil. I think we are gonna go to load. Change the Duke. Let's change this to select external. Nah, if I get me, why? After doing that, you might want to oversize it a bit. Now the colliders, you just press polygon. If it does not work, it means it's already done. You cannot do it twice. Do the same thing. Metal. And if you want to like change it for like a bit, you just do that, like that. Usually when it's the game that's making it, usually there's a bit of space. After doing that, you want to set the properties to only burn. You want to save, and then yes. Since I picked from my load, it means that it changed. Now for this one, we might want to like turn off the internet. I don't know if this, anyways. After turning off the internet, you want to pick a map. I will go for my autosave. Oh, pricky owl. Do not mind this. Okay, after loading into the map, you want to go to build. Actually, wait a minute. Where the frick is that? There. You want to release the bike. I think we have made it a bit oversized, actually. Guys, we just made it a bit oversized. The Red Bulls is small. That's how small my bikes are. Because I wanted to like to be like fast. But since I put it in my H2R, it went so fast. It's beating this. Before the H2R, this was the W winner. It kept making gaps before, but when the Kawasaki joined in, it's like losing. Because I have two types of the H2R. It's like the normal one, which is slower than this one, and the other one is a smaller version, but called record-breaking H2R, because it's a record breaker in which it beat the Red Bull. Now, Want to press disable collision? Not press disable collision. Press freeze. Then you want to go into pause mode. You want to lift it up a bit. Make sure that the margin is whatever you like. After freezing it, make sure it's freeze. Because by this, you would either want to make a wheel, just resize it to any size you want. But for me, I am gonna go to do this mode before. It has the fattest kind of tire. Or the reason why I'm copying it is because by copying it, it's gonna already do the stuff. And then you want to resize it. If you see like the tire's too big, you just want to go to resize and drag it. Do not drag the green and red. After going out, and then you rotate it like a circle. If you know what's the right size, then you pick that. After doing that, you see this 4-hour arrow direction. You press that. You press 2 times. After you see this, you pick this one. Now you want to copy this. And put it like the body frame is at the ground. Or like it's at the ground because that's especially needed for fast speeds. After done that, if it doesn't cooperate, you drag it out. Especially you want to do this so that the reason why we are doing this because you don't want the wheel to fall out while racing. Can ruin the bike preparation. After you know it's done, press unfreeze. Off to go. But remember, you have to press the front before riding it. You have to go to the front wheel and then scroll down, press reverse gear. If you don't, what will happen? I do not know. I'm just kidding. If you accelerate the rear wheel and then the front wheel, what will happen is like it will not move. If the front wheel has more power than the rear wheel, it will just reverse like this. But if the front wheel has more power, it could just accelerate. I feel like there's a mistake, so we need to pause. After that, because since the game has ads, they added ads to this game, like advertisements for people who don't get what ads. If you want to change the frame, you should move that. But if you don't want so lowered, then you just do that, then like wait. Anyway, now since you saw what I did without my mic, because you know, you know. After that was a little too fast. Now if I get me what I will do. I don't want to even play that game. You just go into slow mo and then like you just grab onto the wheels. I think I want to like resize it just a little bit smaller. I couldn't. You want to resize the top one. It will also come with the wheel. I mean, yes, it will come with the wheel. But after resizing, you want to resize the wheel because the wheel is only independent. After that, you want to put it back into place. And now let's test drive it. What will happen if we drive it against the second fastest but all-time winner, the Red Bull? If it beats and it gets a huge gap, I think something is gonna get beaten. Save that. Yes, save it. What I'm doing is what we're trying. You press this one. Whoever gets the fastest acceleration is the winner. Oh, so it's a bit of a gap. It's coming in second, beating the Red Bull, but it cannot still defeat. That's testing. That's testing what the racing episodes will do if I have some free time. Anyway, since this one won, we have to turn it off. Because every time we finish it, I will not make it break. I mean, the brake is like stop the wheel. Every time it hits the ground, it's like something happens. What the? It's like gonna separate. Anyways, this is gonna be third. It's gonna come in third. Okay, come, C-U-M-E, not the sassy one. For sassy people watching this and want to change it to the normal guy. After doing that, you want to save it. Just do that. You can press anywhere you want just inside the bike. You press save and then call it any name you want. You'll call it Duke. After doing that, you want to go to your saves and spawn it again. If it only comes with the frame, it means you have to redo it again. For instance, imagine you deleted it and it doesn't come with the wheels, then I'm sorry, you have to redo it again. That's all for this video. Yeah, I think that's kind of everything, and yeah, that's everything. So, bye bye, see you in the next vid.